we teach you how to make these super easy DIY stress balls.
These are super good for school, work, or any occasion where you're stressed.
So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe by clicking that red button down below.
Hit that notification bell to get notified every time we upload.
And give this video a big thumbs up. Without any further ado, here we go. To make these stress balls, you will need a bowl, a liquid measuring cup, a half a cup measuring cup, all-purpose flour, and some balloons. First, measure out half a cup of flour and add that into your bowl. Then measure out a quarter cup of water and add that into the flour. Then mix until it turns into a dough.
You can add a little more water or flour so that your dough comes out to be a sticky but firm dough. You can also add in a pinch of salt to make it a little less sticky. So now you're just going to stretch out your balloon and then kind of fold it inside out and ask a friend to help you by pushing the dough in. Once you are satisfied with the amount of dough in your balloon, you're just going to tie the end into a knot to secure it.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to hit that like button
And comment down below what subject in school stresses you out most.
We'll see you guys next time.
Bye!